All right, you're going to start by attaching one of the daisy felt strips you've cut out to a yellow felt ball. You'll see I'm just going to kind of practice winding it around just to see how high or how low I want to put it on that felt ball. Once I feel like I have a good feel for it, I'm just going to put a little bit of glue. Less is more. And I start out just with a little bit so I can make sure it starts to wind the direction I want and that I don't burn myself. So I'm going to hold that for just a second, and then I'm going to add more glue around the curved part of this daisy petal. I'm going to glue it all the way around. Once we have that done, you're basically going to do the same thing with the second petal strand. You could add more petal strands if you want. I found that 2 tends to be about enough, but you're simply going to glue this around that yellow felt ball again, and then you're going to stem the wire so that you can add it to your arrangement, and it's as simple as that.